everyone, welcome to Planning an Active Program. So when thinking of a program, first you have to have an idea. What do you and your residents want to do? Then, how does this program fit into the programming model? Which kind of program does it fit and how does it actually meet those requirements? Lastly, how do you envision your program playing out and what steps do you need to get there? So I'm going to be planning a Bob Ross paint night for an interest-based program because I know a lot of my residents already are really creative and hopefully I can introduce some other residents into the world of painting. Pick a date and time for your program that you think will be the best for when your residents can attend. Pick a location where your event will take place. You can hold a program anywhere, not just in a common room. How about your own quad, a study room, outdoors, or even off campus as an example? And figure out a timeline for when you need advertisements up, submitting a budget, getting the supplies, and anything else you need. So now it's time for supplies. I went down to the bunker and found the paint box, and we have a bunch of blank canvases that I can use for the program. There's also paper plates we can use for mixing the paint, and I thought it would be great to have some hot chocolate at the program as well. So the equipment sign-up form is where I would put in a request for the paint box and hot chocolate mix. If you need to sign out equipment for your event, make sure you fill out this form as soon as possible. Fill out the budget request form if you have any supplies that aren't in the bunker already and you need to purchase yourself. If you plan on holding your program in the Purcell House Lounge or a non-resident space somewhere on campus, fill out the room booking form. If this is a large-scale program, make sure to delegate tasks to other RAs who are helping and contact campus partners. Advertising is a must for active programs. This doesn't just include posters, it can be any kind of creative advertising that you want, but make sure you put it up well in advance of the program so there's a couple days that residents can see it and notice when the event is. A couple days prior to your program, make sure you purchase the supplies, and on the day of the program, grab all the stuff that you need from the bunker. Go to your location and set up the event, and wait for the residents to attend. So I have everything set up in the common room for my program, the paint box, hot chocolate for residents to drink, blank canvases, and some paint that we'll be using. And I have the Bob Ross painting tutorial that we'll be following along with.
Hey Danica.
Hey, are you here for the paint night?
Yeah, you bet I am.
Awesome. You can grab some hot chocolate right there, and the kettles has hot water already. And then just take a seat, grab one of the canvases, and then we'll wait for everyone else to show up. Start our program. So with the residents, we'll all paint along to the tutorial video with Bob Ross, and then by the end of the program, we'll all have a painting to take home. Make sure you clean up everything that you used in the program and the room, and fill out the programming log. When planning an active program, it's important to plan your program well in advance so you have time to get help from other RAs, and also to have time to do tasks that are needed before the event. Submit any program forms early. Lastly, don't leave purchasing supplies to the last minute. For an active program, it's necessary that you have some form of advertisements that have a set date and time and location for which residents will attend. And once they attend the event, you have a planned activity that you'll be doing together.